All right, guys, so we're on to the upper end gasket set for a 12 valve. Victorine's gasket or Mala. Part number on this one, there is two different part numbers, but the Victorine's part number is 02-1037201. I guess I could just show it to you. That's the part number. So we'll open this one up, see if we get any goodies in this one. The other side of the LS head gasket. Oh, no free stuff. Ah well. So first off, valve cover gaskets. Obviously, probably everybody's gonna know what these are. Valve seals, stock valve seals. Intake plenum gasket, or intake plate, whatever you want to call it. Head gasket. So you didn't do a very good job wrapping, but it doesn't look like it's damaged, so that's okay. And this is a stock size head gasket. You can see it in there, and they always individually wrap them, which is nice. Here is the tool. If you guys are using your stock head bolts, this is the tool for actually measuring them and to make sure that they're not stretched. So that's handy to have if you're planning on reusing your head gasket, or your head bolts. Now, the bag of bits. So, intake heater. This one is an industrial, so this is for turboed and non-turboed industrial, using different style turbo or turbo outlet or non-turbo. So basically you don't use it. Exhaust manifold gaskets, there's going to be 6 of these in there. This is for your thermostat. Exhaust manifold gasket, obviously. T3 divided flange gasket. Not the greatest of quality, but they do work. And then there's 6 of these, which are horseshoes for your injectors. For your oil fill cap, turbo drain. That's for your, that is for your drain plug, which I don't really use. This is the O-ring for your fuel heater, if you have a fuel heater. And then there's there's a few different copper washers. A lot of this stuff is industrial use, so you won't use it for most stuff. And then there's some ones for fuel, which are nice to have. And that pretty much wraps that up. Now there's these ones, which there again, I don't 100% know. The only thing, they are identical, so maybe that's what they are, but they don't put the ones for doing injectors anymore in the kits that I've been buying anyway. But these are the same size as what is for if you've got 9mm injectors. So I don't know if maybe that's the reason they're dumbing the kits down per se, because guys are using different style of washer thickness of washers. And then there's these O-rings. So anyways, that pretty much sums up that stuff. Like there's some stuff in these. I've put a lot of these engines together and I've never used, whether it's an industrial or not. So I've done quite a few industrials, a few marines, and then there's a bunch of stuff that you don't use. So like honestly, that's one of those things. There's so many variations to these engines. Non-intercooled, intercooled, non-turboed. There's natural gas applications. So it's one of those things. You know, there could be some of that that's for that. So anyways, that's gonna finish up this one, guys. Like, subscribe, hit me down in the comments, and we'll catch you on the next one.